Itec offers a content management solution, which is basically a computer system used to track and store information about what it is rather than where it is, like a shared folder. Having a content management system in place ensures that all company sensitive information is saved in a safe and secure location with select permissions as to what users can access. It also allows users not to delete company sensitive information, but most importantly also has version controls, which ensures that from document version 1 right up until document version 10 the entire history of the document is tracked. Once a document is in the system, the next question we ask ourselves is, what do you want to do with the document? Do you need to archive it? Do you need to send it off for an approval? And that's where business processes and workflows are born. Business processes and workflows ensure that there's accountability amongst users to action a certain task within a certain amount of time, and with that being said, enhances productivity of the company as a whole. Once that entire process has been done, that entire audit trail of that process is saved within the system. And what that now means is that we now start to comply with certain South African laws and regulations such as POPI, which when it comes to POPI means that you need to keep information in a safe and secure location until that document is used for that certain purpose, up until the point it's archived. GDPR is also quite a big role player with content management, and ensures that company and user information and data is safe and adhered to at all times. The way that we comply with companies' GDPR and POPI requirements is all dependent on how the company does that on their own. Our systems are fully compliant with these laws, and it ensures continuity across the board.
Many companies these days are still very much driven and based on paper-based processes, where documents need to be signed and handed over to other users and other departments for approval and follow a manual legacy type based workflow process, whereas our Itec solutions allow us to bridge a gap between the physical paperwork into the digital transformation into the content management system, where we can scan documents on our scanners, our MFPs, capture metadata information about the document either manually on the panel of the machine, or we extract information off the document itself, or we extract information from other systems in the company, other databases, SAP systems for example. We then can do conversions of the document in different file formats into secure PDFs or into Excel, Word formats for example. We can compress those documents into different file sizes as well, and just get into a much more legible format and get it ready and packaged for the storage and the workflow process within the ECM system, which allows us users then also have access to access that information via web and via mobile applications into these ECM systems, where they can continue with the workflow process directly from their mobile phone.